You have seen them on the road. You have admired them. They are luxurious wheels. And today we are doing a deep dive into the Toyota Alphard. This is the 2009 version, the 2008, and then we jump all the way to 2011 right here, and this is the one we're going to be focusing on in this video. We're going to start with the logo right here. This logo has not changed over the years, but I think it's majestic. It looks like a claw. And when you look at the headlamps, they are massive. They take up a big part of the front. Their silhouette is just curved and it's beautiful. We have our halogen lamps here and we have our LED right there. This particular one has the fog lights, and if you saw the rest that I showed you also, they all had fog lights. Because it's a really big front, you must have those fog lights to have good visibility. We have sonar sensors here. This will alert you in case you come too close to an obstruction, and it will protect your car and alert you that your car may be in danger. Wow, such a luxurious, beautiful car. On the mirrors, we have our blinkers here. The handles are chrome plated and it is keyless entry system. If you see this, you know it is keyless entry. It comes with alloy wheels all the way from the factory. We have these lights here, which beautify the back, and it gives it more visibility at night, so other drivers can easily see you. And the lamps at the back, the lights at the back are huge, very huge, similar to the ones at the front. So this is the outside. Let's go on the inside and check it out. Controls for the power windows, very accessible on the door. Push to start using this button here. The car comes with a dash cam and a microphone for calls, media controls, and then phone calls can also be received using these buttons here. The center console, huge display, and very good music system for this car. Gear selector for all the driving modes, plus a sport mode where you can lower or increase the gear manually. Grab handles for the passenger as well. Storage for your sunglasses and lights. Different storage compartments, the biggest being this one in the center. Cup holders, one here. Glove compartment. Very little space in the door bins. Now let's check out the back. Soft opening door at the back. Massive legroom and headroom. A screen for entertainment here at the back. And controls for the temperature control in here and climate control. Vents for the passengers. This is a car built to make the passengers comfortable. To get in, you have a stepper here and a grab handle. And once we get in, it's very spacious. A comfortable 7-seater with extra two seats at the back, which can also comfortably seat more than 2 people. So if you have a family, this is the car for you. Huge seat right there with cup holders. LED strip light for lighting during the night, making the car look majestic and exotic. A camera at the back here for reversing. Massive storage with these seats on rails. They can be adjusted, pushed in front, pulled back to adjust the space or the leg room that you need. Let's check if there's a spare tire. Yes, a full-size spare tire for you here. Comment down below to tell us if the audio is better, because we've invested in some audio equipment. Beneath the hood, where the magic begins, we find an engine that is more than just numbers. With 170 horsepower, this 2.4 liter 4-cylinder beauty is no ordinary engine. Now, how does it put all that power down? Well, it has a front-wheel drive configuration and it is mated to an automatic transmission, a continuously variable one at that. And when you are itching for speed, I'll tell you to go up to 180 kilometers per hour. The 0 to 100 kilometers dash, that one is done in 11.9 seconds. But what keeps it moving, you may ask? Running on petrol with a tank volume of 65 liters, it is ready for those long journeys. Let's talk about size because it matters. The Alphard stands at 4.8 meters in length, 1.8 meters in width, and it reaches for the skies at 1.9 meters in height. Now, as we gaze at its interior, you will notice that it's not just about size, but style too. With a ground clearance of 160 millimeters, it is ready to conquer both the city streets and off-road adventures. And let's not forget, it can carry a load of up to 670 kilograms. The Alphard structure is truly special. It is an MPV, or what you may call a multi-purpose vehicle. With 7 seats in total, it is perfect for the whole family. And yes, there's a third row seat, making more room for more people. So there you have it. The 2011 Toyota Alphard 2.4 is a machine that combines power, style, and comfort in one remarkable package. So that is our review of the 2011 Toyota Alphard. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and watch other videos that we have on our channel. Till next time.